Want the durability and even cooking of stainless steel with the combination of nonstick? HexClad has you covered. They sent me their 12-inch hybrid pan for review, so let me show you what this can do. The magic of this hybrid pan is really in the way they combined the nonstick with the stainless steel. The black you see is the nonstick, and it's an exceptionally high quality Japanese nonstick, but it's very hard to get to as it is lower than all of the little metallic gray outlines, and that is the stainless steel. And so because of that, it's really hard for you to accidentally scrape any of the nonstick, but there's enough nonstick surface in there that you'll still get a nonstick cooking experience. And then on top of that, you have this extremely durable stainless steel that you can use steel cooking utensils on, that you can really work with, get a super solid sear with, and still get nonstick. It is also oven safe and has a lifetime warranty. And the first thing you'll want to do is season your pan. I'm thinly coating it with olive oil that I have in a glass spray bottle, and then I'll just leave it on for 2 minutes and then it's ready to go. And this pan does heat very, very fast, so that's something to keep in mind. But as I lift it away from the flame, it's also cooling quickly, so that's really nice too. I've only have it away from the flame for about 30 seconds there, and it's already stopped sizzling, so that's really nice. That means this pan heats and cools very quickly, giving you a lot of control when you move it away from your heat source. So I'm gonna put it back down, add in my eggs. That's amazing. That is incredibly nonstick. I was not expecting that. I was expecting that I was going to have to cover my eggs or scoop the butter over them, but it is so nonstick that my eggs are just going everywhere, even though it is super hot. So instead I'm gonna try flipping them since this is so hot and so nonstick. That worked way better than I expected. It cooked way faster than I expected. So I will definitely be adapting to this pan, but I can tell you right now that I am incredibly impressed. And look at that, my egg broke once I put it on the pan. But I am so impressed with this HexClad pan. It cooks beautifully. I love that I can use my metal utensils on it. I love how quickly the heat adapts to the heat source. So it's a pan that will cool down and heat up really fast, and it is exceptionally non-stick. I definitely recommend this HexClad pan.